Hello everyone, my name is Lina, which is short for Lina Mandla, and today I will be teaching you Siswati. Now let me say that in Siswati. Sanibonani nonke, libito lami ngu Lina. Lamuhla ngitobe nginifundzisa Siswati. In today's lesson, we will be continuing with our book. The book I'll be reading from is titled Lifa and was written by T.T. Gininza and F.T. Mahlalela. Now let me say that in Siswati. Namuhla sitobe sifundza incwadzi. Sihloko sale ncwadzi Lifa. Babhali bencwadzi ngu-T.T. Gininza na F.T. Mahlalela. If you happen to have this book, use it to read along with me. If you don't have this book, it's okay. You can read along using my book. We will be reading pages 8, 9, 10, and 11. Let's get started. In page 8 and 9, we will be focusing on the letter M, which we covered in our last lesson about vowels and consonants. If you missed that, pause this lesson and go watch the previous lesson. It will be very helpful and you will find it easier to read. Let's read. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Male, imali, mila, mela, malume, lili, mela, mimi, lulu, umele, imali, malume, ulimele, alima, malume, ulimela, mama, lilima, limele, imali. Moving on to page 9. Malume, mama, umeme, lulama. Lulama, ulele, amemile. Mama, umele, malume, lolimela, imali. Mama, ume, ameme, lulama, lolele. Malume, ulimele, alimela, imali. Malume, ulala elulaleni. Lami lilima, alilali elulaleni. On pages 10 and 11, we will be focusing on the letter N. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Nana, nani, nene, nini, nona, nine, nunu, neno, nono, nine, nona, nana, unene, inunu, inone, nini, ninani, nine, nono, ninani, nine, nenunu. Moving on to page 11. Inala, nana, lulane, umele, nelani, manana. Inunu, ilume, nelani, elulaleni. Nelani, ulime, elulaleni. Inala, inele, nelani, nanono. Nelani, ulime, nelilima, lalalulane. Nana, lulane, unemali. Nine, namanana, aninamali. Nine, aneneli, elulaleni. Nelani, ulime, nelilima, lalalulane. And that is all for today. Join our language learning community by subscribing to our channel. That way, you won't miss out on any future language lessons.